Wait, that was very inspiring. Are you wondering why we are celebrating the United Nations? But what is United Nations Day all about? To give us an information, may I call on Stephen Calville.
Good morning. We are celebrating today the 65th birthday of the United Nations. It was founded in 1945 by 50 countries, large and small, strong and weak. All they wanted was to have a union for peace, justice, and international cooperation among countries in the whole world. As young children, we are happy to celebrate this occasion for peace and unity and to express our interest in some of the member countries of UN. We represent a few of them. We dedicate this day to express our love for our country, the Philippines, and the entire nations. As we grow, we want a peaceful place to live in, a happy place to enjoy our youth, and most especially feel a place where we feel safe and secure. Happy United Nations Day to everybody. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Stephen, for those information. Worldwide, we use different languages for means of communication. We have different cultures, traditions, religions, and beliefs. But as one nation that believes in peace